Today, RB5K. We're out in Ridgecrest, Kern County. I'm not entirely sure what we're gonna do out here. RB5K, this is the stomping grounds, so he's planned out a day for us. I'm excited to see what that entails. One thing about this area, it's a military area. We've been out for about 10 minutes now, and I've already seen a lot of fighter planes cruising around, man. There's IO too, man. It's really cool seeing this stuff. China Lake, right? China Lake's out here. It's like some secret shit. My gas light's on. I feel like this is one of them areas that if you need gas, you definitely stop at the first gas station you see, because who knows how far the next one will be. Mojave Desert. Today old RB5K is on his Hannah Galley. The last time I rode with him was up in Solvang. All right, fuel. What do you think? Diesel 2 or 87? 87. Tell you what, high desert, gas ain't cheap. You'd think that diesel would be cheaper than regular gas, considering it's less refined, right? I don't know how that works. RB5K, my man. Dude, we're your hometown, man. This is your desert people out here.
Yeah.
This is you.
It kind of is.
You brought us out to Kern County, Mojave Desert. What the hell are we doing out here?
We're going to go for a little ride, and then we're going to go get some lunch.
All right, I like lunch. Yeah. So you already told me we were going to go hit a brewery, which is ironically something that I've been doing to the channel. So that'll be fun. You said we're going to Kern River Brewing Company.
Yeah.
You've been there before?
I have.
That's good?
It's good.
Food good?
Food's great.
They don't got a food truck sitting outside, do they?
No.
All right. Do you bring me out here so you can finally open up your Ducati?
Probably.
I knew it. In Kern, sunshine capital of California. Sunshine's about all this place has. Of course. Middle of the desert, and I'm behind a Prius. We can't be behind this. We got to get around this thing. Whoa! All right. This is gonna hurt. What the hell is this person doing?
I'm sure this is where the Pacific Crest Trail crosses the road.
Pacific Crest Trail's right here?
I think so.
Dedicated to the memory of Joseph Rutherford Walker. He discovered this pass over the Sierra Nevada mountains between the Great Basin and the interior of California in 1834. Thank you, sir. Excuse me. All kinds of shit in the road. That guy was flashing at us. Must mean there's a cop up here. I keep hitting small bugs on my helmet. My visor's all littered up. Guts. I hope the camera's alright. Thanks. Pretty sure that was a dead snake.
It was a snake.
That was a rattlesnake.
It looked like a bloody mess is what it looked like.
It looked like it almost flung up off your tire into my face. After I saw that, there's no way I was stopping on the side of the road. I needed pavement. How bad is my camera?
You got a B in it.
Direct right on the lens?
No, it's on the side.
All right, I get it. Bingo, every Saturday, 12 noon, I'll be back. I don't even know why there's speed limits over here. And there's like nothing. You should be able to go as fast as you want. I mean, within reason, right? I think Montana's like that. Oh, donkeys. Big ass lake. How come I don't see any boats in it? Like skiing and kneeboarding and tubing and shit. Not even a canoe. Oh, there it is, dude. Kern River Brewing Company. All right, let's eat. water is just awesome. Look at that. These people are just camping right there. They're living the dream. Kern River, man. It's cool up here. I like it. Apparently the river is way higher than it usually is. Look at that house up there, man. Jeez. What would that thing cost? It's got his own flag. It's a Green Bay flag. He's up there eating the curds, watching us. Bet he's got a telescope, hanging out on one of his 3 porches, chilling out. Yeah. Kern River Brewing Company. So I got the flight of beer. Out of all of them, there's 4. I like the blonde. I guess I'm partial to blondes. You didn't try any of the beers, so you don't really have an opinion there. The blonde was pretty good. Isabella Blonde, I think that's what it was. We both got the bacon cheeseburger. I liked mine. It wasn't totally over the top. The one thing notable about it, to me, was the mustard. I felt like the mustard pulled it all together. Something about the mustard. They called it like a stout mustard or whatever, but I liked it. What did you think?
It was definitely stout mustard, and I think it made the burger. The ranch dressing tastes like croutons.
It's probably homemade ranch dressing. It was pretty good. So if you guys come here, get the crisp cut fries and the ranch. You won't be unhappy with that choice. In all, we got 2 bacon burgers, 2 waters, and the flight of beers. Came out to about 45 bucks. That included tip. I get it. I wasn't too unhappy. It's a tourist trap. All right, we're not going to end the video yet. We're going to ride around a little bit more and see what we get into. Stick with us. Nature's pretty cool sometimes. RB5K was telling me White Herb owned a bunch of property up here. Kernville has a Taco Bell. You know the town Kleb moved to? Doesn't have a Taco Bell? Go figure. Maybe you ought to just move back. Plenty of them out here. Everywhere. Wow, so many cops. Whoa. Oh shit, I forgot to rank the brewery. So, out of all the breweries that I've been to so far, oh look, now there's boats on the lake. Yeah, alright. Oh, where was I? I'd say out of all the breweries that I've done so far on this channel, this one is a 6. Yeah, 6. Let's do 89 this time. You guys are wondering what this is? It's a wet napkin that I stuffed in there, so if I feel like I splattered a bug on the GoPro, I can go ahead and wipe it off. I did it for you. That gas station just didn't make it. Or did it? No, I think it's closed. I want to give a lot of love to all the patrons of the channel. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. We have a lot of fun over there. Lots of laughing, lots of crashing. A lot of dysfunction, actually. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell if you guys are into this channel. YouTube makes it really hard for me to get these videos out. Let's give a bunch of love to the channel sponsors. Chaparral Moto, the law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, and LUIMOTO. All I ask is that if you're in the need for any of their services or products, consider them first. They're good companies. I wouldn't be partnered with them if they weren't. Between those guys and the Patreons, you guys are my lifeline. Thank you. I'll catch you guys next time. Later. Did it shut off?
No, it's on.
It's recording.
Yeah, it's blinking red.
What's the timer say?
Says 1:13, 1:14.
It's weird. I lost connection for a second. When that happens, I get scared.